What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Chef Velo, back with another banging one today on this damn snow on my face. I told you guys, look at the snow. We're gonna do a quick video, you guys. The snow is coming down, you guys, and it's banging. Check this out, y'all. Look at the snow. Look at the snow, you guys. In the middle of the street, it's snowing. It's snowing, it's snowing. Woo-wee, you guys, look at this. I knew that the snow was coming. I'm showing everybody the snow. The snow is coming down so fast that you guys can't even see it coming down. Guys, take a good look at that, y'all. Look at that snow. Ooh, that snow. Woo, shit. I'm out here in a minute. I'm thirsty. Look at this, you guys. Look at this, you guys. Look at that, y'all. Let's take a trip. Let's take a trip, you guys. We're gonna walk down the street, see the lights. We're gonna see the Christmas lights. Oh, look at this, y'all.